Assalamu alaikum to everyone. My name is Gauhar Nabi, your mathematics educator. Today, the topic that I will be discussing with you is about the mathematician. He was the famous Indian mathematician. His name is Brahmagupta. So, Brahmagupta, he born in Rajasthan in 598 BC, before Common Era, to 668, right? So, he contributed a lot in the field of mathematics. So today we will talk about this, right? He contributed in the field of geometry. He contributed a lot in the field of algebra. He was the first person who considered that zero is a number, right? So talking about the contributions, what was the contributions that that Brahmagupta gave in the field of geometry, right? So he was the first person who gave the concept about the how to find the area of a cyclic quadrilateral. So firstly we need to understand what cyclic quadrilateral is all about. Cyclic quadrilateral is a type of quadrilateral, right? Any four-sided figure, closed figure, having all the four vertices lie on the circumference of the circle. It means that मेरे कहने का मतलब है एक ऐसा quadrilateral जिसके जो चारों जो है कोने vertices वो लाई करते हैं circumference of circle के ऊपर, उसको हम कहते हैं cyclic quadrilateral, right? So people in that very era, they were acquainted of the concept how to find the area of any scalene triangle. So what do you know? Firstly, we should understand that what scalene triangle is all about. Scalene triangle is a type of triangle having no side equal. ये एक ऐसी triangle है जिसमें कोई भी side बराबर नहीं है, right? So तो कैसे एक scalene triangle में हम find out कर सकते हैं area? It is by using the Heron's formula, that is under root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, where s is a semi-perimeter and a, b, c, these are the sides of the scalene triangle. So this is how we can find the area of a scalene triangle by using the Heron's formula. But it was easy for we people that time to find the area of a scalene triangle, but it was not easy to find the area of any cyclic quadrilateral. So Brahmagupta was the first person who gave the concept how to find the area of a cyclic quadrilateral. He gave the concept that we can find the area of cyclic quadrilateral by using the formula that is under root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, and s minus d, where s is the semi-perimeter of, that is semi-perimeter. From semi-perimeter we mean half the perimeter of the cyclic quadrilateral, and a, b, c, and d are these are the sides of the cyclic quadrilateral. Now, moving back to the topic, that this was all about the Brahmagupta and his contributions. But in one single concept, Brahmagupta committed a mistake. What was the mistake? That what did he say? He claimed that whenever we divide anything by 0, we get 0. So today we will prove that why Brahmagupta is wrong in this concept, that anything divided by 0 is not actually 0, it is undefined. So we will prove this today. Okay, so in first step, 0 is there, so the denominator, it will not be changed, right? In numerator we will replace anything by the 0. Anything can be, it is any variable. It is any variable x. So we replace anything by 0 initially. So what is this? This is 0 divided by 0, right? So it means that from first fundamental theorem of arithmetic, if 0 divides the 0, it means that 0 is a factor of the 0, right? So from this, this implies that 0 divided by 0 is equal to 0. From this statement, it implies that this is only true whenever 0 equals to 0, right? whenever 0 equals to 0. So in next step, what we will do, in place of this anything, we will replace this anything by 1. So what we get? 1 divided by 0, it is equal to 0, which implies 1 equals to 0, which equals to 1 equals 0. In third step, 2 divided by 0 equals to 0, it implies 2 equals to 0. 3 divided by 0 equals to 0, right? It implies that 3 equals to 0, so on and so forth. So from this, what we can conclude, हम इन सारे इक्वेशन से हमें क्या पता चलता है? इन सारी इक्वेशन से हमें पता चलता है कि ये सारे जो नंबर्स है 0, 1, 2, 3 and all these numbers, right? All these numbers 1, 2, 3, ये हम किसके बराबर कर रहे हैं? ये हम 0 के बराबर कर रहे हैं. This 0 equals 0, 1 equals 0, 2 equals 0, 3 equals 0, so on and so forth up to infinity. So what does this mean? What can we conclude mathematically? हम mathematically क्या conclude कर सकते हैं कि हर कोई नंबर जो है ये 0 के बराबर है. So हम ये conclude कर सकते हैं. Let us suppose that we have a real line. We have a real line. Here it is 0. Here it is 1. Here it is 1. Here it is 2, 3, -1, -2, -3. तो अगर हर कोई नंबर 0 के बराबर है, व्हाट डज दिस मीन? इट मीन्स दैट रियल लाइन पे हम क्या कर सकते हैं? 1 भी फिर इस 0 के सिंक होल में क्या करेगा? ये इसके अंदर जाएगा. 2 जो है ये भी इस 0 के सिंक होल में जाएगा. इट मीन्स दैट हर कोई नंबर जो रियल लाइन पे है वो इस 0 के सिंक होल में जज्ब हो जाएगा, एब्जॉर्ब हो जाएगा, राइट? तो 0 इन सारे नंबर्स को अपने अंदर जो है जज्ब कर लेगा, एब्जॉर्ब कर लेगा. सो व्हाट डज दिस मीन? मैथमेटिकली वी कैन से दैट रियल लाइन विल कोलैप्स. इससे क्या होगा? एक रियल लाइन जो है, जो सारे नंबर्स हैं, ये 0 के सिंक होल में घुस जाएंगे. तो इसका क्या मतलब है? इसका मतलब ये है कि मैथमेटिकली हम क्या कर सकते हैं, जब सारे नंबर हमने 0 के बराबर किए और हर कोई नंबर जो है वो 0 के सिंक होल में गया, इट मीन्स दैट द रूल्स ऑफ द मैथमेटिक्स इट विल बी ब्रोकन. जो रूल्स है मैथमेटिक्स के, ये सारा मैथमेटिक्स जो है, जो रूल्स ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स है, ये ब्रेक हो जाएगा. तो इससे हमें क्या पता चलता है? इससे हमें ये पता चलता है जब ये सही नहीं है, मतलब इट मीन्स दैट दिस स्टेटमेंट जो हमें रिजल्ट निकला है, द रिजल्ट दैट वी गॉट एट द एंड, राइट, ये सही नहीं है. क्यों नहीं सही है? तो ये हमने देखा रियल लाइन से, ठीक है? तो हम क्या कह सकते हैं? अगर ये सही नहीं है तो जो हम कर रहे थे अभी तक, ये भी सही नहीं है. दिस इंप्लाइज ये भी सही नहीं है, ये भी सही नहीं है, ये भी सही नहीं है. इट मीन्स दैट ये सही नहीं है. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? सो आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड why anything divided by 0 is not equal to 0. Right? We have proved this. Thank you so much. See you in the next session. Allah Hafiz.